what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over RaikenProfit.com. Coming back to you with another video here with Vinny, the toy master. And in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about something that's slightly related. I guess this is considered a toy, a board game.
Toy.
But I want to share with you guys a bolo, an item to be on the lookout for. I've sold this before once, and I found it for $5 and sold it for, I think, $250 or over $200. And the other day we were at our local auction. You know, as you know, I live in Miami, Florida now, but I'm in town for a couple weeks meeting up with family and friends. And we went to our local auction, and I'm gonna have our video editor roll a clip in a second, but I wanna show you what we bid on, what we found, and then after this clip, we'll go into the details.
Right there, $100 on it. $100 on it? $50. 50. He don't want to go. He don't want to go low. $30 I can do and 35. You want to 30? I have 30 way out there and 35. I have 30, 35. Yes, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 70? 70? I got 65 over here and 70. 65 and 70. Thank you both. 65, part of 104. It's a cool thing. Cufflinks. Yes, these are out of the same estate as that. The gold rings there. All the gentlemen's jewelry. And how about $30 on that? 30 on that?
They're just
there is
holding
gold
this thing.
bills
It's like a holy grail for reseller, right?
So yeah, that's what happened. We went over to the auction, and you paid, I think, $65?
Yeah.
$65. And why don't you show everybody what you found live in the flesh? Be careful, this thing is gonna fall. This is a board game that's called Dark Tower. This is made by Milton Bradley. I believe this is 1981. 1981. You know, this is a kind of a cool game. It's got a bunch of different pieces on it. It's got this castle, and then there's like it's like a cardboard fold
Circle,
out.
yeah. It's in a circle.
That goes around it, and there are batteries that go in it, so it lights up. But this is a bolo. I found it once before. Vinny found it for $65, and we just want to kind of share this with you so you're on the lookout for this item if you ever come across it. I think I released a video a couple years ago sharing this, probably like 4 years ago, and I've had a bunch of people reach out to me saying they found it before. So let's talk about what happened when you first saw this. How did you identify it? What were your thoughts? And then we're also going to share a really cool story as well about another auction item that you found that related to this, and you didn't realize it until you bought this.
I walked in the auction and I saw this kind of right away. And I remember from...
How do you know?
Back in the day...
I showed you this?
You showed me. You actually showed me like a sold listing of you selling it, I think. Sent me a screenshot. And I remember the name, and I remembered you talk about it. And I'm like, oh, is that game that Steve's talking about? It is. And like, I opened it up, and I was like, it's not in great condition. But I even looked for it's selling for parts, and I saw like broken, not working. Like there's a tower that is battery operated and is supposed to work, but I saw even ones not working were going for like 140. So I'm like, wow, okay, I'll
give or take.
I'll pay up to 70 for that, you know, double my money.
Yeah.
And I just waited for it to come up there.
I thought that we were gonna have a ton of bids on this item, and you were battling it out with one person, right?
Was one guy, because
he's always battling you on these toys.
What they did in the auction is they start off high and then they come. It's a little backwards, but they come down and see who grabs it at the price. And they started at 200, then they dropped it to 100, then they dropped it to 50, and that's when I raised my hand. I was like, yep. And then another guy jumped in at 55, 60, and then I went 65. He dropped out. And he was out. So I ended up getting this for 65 real quick. There's nobody else bidding on it. A lot of older guys were there, so I don't think maybe they knew about it. Yeah. Or the condition might have scared some people. Yeah. The issue with this set is the pieces are in pretty good condition.
Are they all there, all the pieces?
No. I'm missing some pieces. So I might have to part it out. But this tower thing right here is battery operated. Yeah. And I don't know a lot about this. It has some function. I guess it talks or lights up. Stuff like that. And the battery bay is corroded and is missing the cover for the battery bay. So that's the only
You still think this is a good buy at 65?
Yeah, I think because I have the original box, even though it's messed up, and because I have the actual board, a lot of the pieces, the boards are in good condition, and the tower piece, I'm pretty sure people know how to restore these. Like, there's a huge following for this thing. So, and the manual's in there, which is
Yeah, that
super
always helps
important.
with these vintage
The
games.
manual by itself, I think I saw for $20.
You can even sell the box by itself. Like, you can literally part this whole thing out.
Yeah, you can part this whole thing out and get 200 easily. And there's some pieces in here.
I don't know if you get 200 parting it out, maybe. You think so?
150. Sorry, sorry, Steve.
You're getting a little excited because I know what's going to happen. People are going to call us out so hard, like, you ain't going to part it out for that much. But it's a good learning experience, and the point of this isn't to be like, oh, look at us, we had the best buy in the whole world. Like, it'll be a decent flip. But if you ever come across Dark Tower, pick it up.
If you find this thing in mint condition or brand new sealed, like, you hit a jackpot.
Yeah.
For sure. So I was doing
aggressive.
a little research. If you have the right parts and it's not complete, you can part this thing out by individual parts or like little flags. Like,
I would like to see you part it out for $200 plus. I don't think you're going to. I don't think you're going to do it. Yeah. I
I'm
don't
gonna
think you're
experiment
going to
with
do
this.
it.
Look at the sand. You can sell 4 sand blocks. Here, let's
So
look.
share with people what these things are selling for, just the parts.
Let's see what parts do I have. Let's see this. Okay, we got a little. I'll just dump this out.
Oh, I didn't think you had these. I thought you were missing these.
So we got sand. The sand boards. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $12. If you can see that.
I'm gonna take the camera off and come in close here and let you show off what you got. All right, so what do we have here?
Now we have. I'm missing some brown. Oh no, I got all the brown. We got brown buildings, all 4 of them. Another $12. That's 24 right now. And let's just assume that the gray ones, which I have all 4, are another $12, and then another $12. So that's $48 right there, just on those little sand parts. Then you have the board, which I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. The board by itself is selling for $30. So that's, what is that? We're at $80 right now. Just on some parts. The Pegasus. Hey, look at these guys. Do I have all 4? Yep, I got all 4. All 4 for $13.29.
Let me see. Are these the Pegasus right here?
Yep, and this is right here. And this is just sold 2 months ago. Okay, sorry about that. A non-working tower. So what are we at? We're at 100 right now?
Yeah.
Non-working tower. $67 plus $10 shipping. So we'll call it 50, another 50. So we're at 150 right now. Let's see what else. What is these cards?
But you're still gonna have to minus off shipping fees and
Okay,
all that. A lot of
we're-
these things are free shipping.
We're still going, Steve.
I don't like it.
Cards with pegs. $24.
$24 for some card pegs?
So we're at 175 now?
Oh my lord.
Man, we're almost there, Steve. I don't know. Let's see. There's the board again for the 20. There's the pegs. There's a original replacement part. This is the front lens. So I can literally pop this lens out and sell it for $17.
$17 for a lens?
Yeah. That's another non-working, but he's got pieces with it. What else did I see here? 4 flags. 1. Oh, they got 5 flags. 2, 3, 4. Oh, hell no. I got 6 flags. No, I got 5, sorry. 5 flags. That's another $21. So what are we at now?
Oh
I
my
forgot.
gosh.
We're at 170, 180. Just 1 flag, $12. And then, oh, here are the people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 200, right over 200. And then, so guys, you can part this out for $200 because I have another 50 pieces, $50 in pieces here. And we're at like 300 total valuation, so minus shipping and fees. Like I could part this out for the $200 and maybe get more than I could selling it all together in one shot.
Well,
That's
it
just
looks
a
like
cool
I'm gonna
thing
have to
go
eat my
through.
own words then.
I had to find out, dude, because I was suspicious. 'cause
Everyone's
I've
gonna have to
seen it.
unsubscribe from me now.
So, a lot of people have like missing some parts and they just need one part. They will pay the money to do it.
So there you go. If you come across Dark Tower, buy it if the price is right. We're going to be shooting some more videos about toys with Vinny soon, who is earning a full-time living selling toys on only a part-time basis. So if you want to learn more about that, check the links down below.
I bought Dark Tower. I'm doing pretty good.
We'll see you in the next one.
I'm on the
Peace.
top.